New Toyota-Tacoma-TRD Sport 2024 redesigned adventure hybrid pickup truck. The 2024 Toyota-Tacoma-TRD Sport is a highly anticipated mid-size pickup truck that promises to be a potent blend of adventure-ready capability, performance, and fuel efficiency. It boasts a comprehensive redesign, a new hybrid powertrain option, and a host of features designed to appeal to both on-road and off-road enthusiasts. Here's what you need to know about the 2024 Toyota-Tacoma-TRD Sport. Redesign and styling. The 2024 Tacoma receives a significant exterior redesign with more aggressive styling, including a new grille, headlights, taillights, and bumpers. The interior also gets a major refresh with new materials, improved ergonomics, and a larger infotainment system. Performance and capabilities. The standard engine is a 2.4L turbocharged four-cylinder, offering 278 horsepower and 317 pounds-ft of torque. A more powerful 2.4L turbocharged hybrid powertrain will be available later in the model year, generating 326 horsepower and a staggering 465 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, while a 6-speed manual is available on select models. The TRD Sport package includes a specially tuned suspension for improved on-road handling and comfort, along with features like an electronically controlled locking rear differential. Technology and features. The 2024 Tacoma comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of advanced driver assistance features. An upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto compatibility is also standard. Available features include a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a premium JBL sound system. Off-road prowess. The Tacoma TRD Sport is still a capable off-roader, with features like 9.5 inches of ground clearance, skid plates, and underbody protection. Available features like an off-road suspension package and multi-terrain select further enhance off-road performance. Pricing and availability. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport is expected to start around $46,950 for the base double cab model with the 6-foot bed. Higher trim levels and options will increase the price significantly. The hybrid model is expected to be slightly more expensive than the gas-powered version. The 2024 Tacoma is expected to arrive at dealerships in late 2023. Overall, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport is a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile and capable pickup truck with a comfortable and stylish interior, strong performance, and improved fuel efficiency thanks to the hybrid option. Its off-road chops and technology features further enhance its appeal for adventurous drivers.